Hello, I'm Justin Randolph, Operations Director at Farm.One, and I'm going to show you what we have in the bag this week. So starting off with the red box, which is our baby greens box. Nice colorful box there. You have a powerhouse lettuce mix, which is a nice soft tender lettuce mix. We have some red kale, a little bit heartier style kale, some Toscano kale as well, and some nice kind of pop of color in here with some amaranth. You often see amaranth grown as an ornamental in gardens, but it has a nice kind of spinach-like flavor to it. Really gorgeous as well. So moving on to the yellow box, nice kind of green box there this week. So we have some lime streak Mizuna, which is kind of a frilly style Mizuna. We have some Scarlet Frills mustard, spicy style mustard there. A little bit of, I love this stuff. This is a daikon radish sprout. Nice kind of poppy sort of texture there. And we also have some micro dill in the mix this week as well to kind of brighten up the box a little bit. And moving on to the blue box, which is our herbs and flowers box. Starting off on this side here, we have one of our favorites here. This is blue spice basil, one of the most aromatic style basils. Really kind of bursts out with like that kind of like vanilla aroma, a little bit of spice in there, a little bit of clove and cinnamon as well. Some blue spice flowers even. We have a Candy Pops mint, which is a mint that's very similar to peppermint, not quite as strong as peppermint, a little bit more kind of like almost buttery sort of flavor to it. And then we have an amethyst basil, which kind of comes in this nice red and green mottled sort of color. Their flavor is akin to like a Genovese basil, if you will, like an Italian basil. And then we have some really gorgeous yarrow flowers in pinks, white yarrow flowers, and nice kind of pop of color there. Cheers, enjoy.